Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to clear all download history in Google Chrome. So go to Google Chrome first. Now click on this three dot icon which is top right corner. Then you'll find here downloads. Click on downloads. Now you can see here if you want to download one by one, you have to click on this three dot and click on delete from history. But if you want to delete all together, click on this three dot icon and you'll find here clear all. Click on clear all and your all download history will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. This is so simple guys. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.